Figma has great documentation, and their YouTube channel is awesome. They've done a really good job with creating bite-size, info, you can also look at it the technical side, but also the larger, like how they work with teams, developer handoff, bringing in stakeholders. So they did a great job on the spectrum of how to best transition. So definitely would recommend going to the YouTube channel and the help articles. There's a lot of passionate people in the community. Medium's a great resource, and cracking open the actual community, their community feature now. We've leveraged a lot of stuff in there, some stuff from Spotify, start building some templates and tools. Yeah, so I'd say, and then shout out to Aaron, who's been helping us, with some of our questions in setting up design systems, and that Aaron has been a huge help for that. So thank you, Aaron.
One thing I did see is in the team, there was a lot of team support for one another when we made the choice. Obviously we set up Slack channels about Figma Swarm so that, if anyone had a question or anyone learned something, they could share it with the rest of the team. So that really helped us as an internal team within the organization. That was huge.
We had a great call with Aaron. That was, I can tell you, Aaron, that was very helpful when we walked through how to build components and think about some of the nesting with variants. So appreciate that.
The concept that you are coming out of school and you're going to kind of start your working life at Ford and leave 60 years later with a retirement, this thing is over. Especially for designer, I think we need to constantly be ready to learn, not be concerned about the new thing we're coming, but embrace the change. We are living in like technology accelerate, and today we are learning Figma. I will not be surprised that in 2, 3, 4, 5 years, we all need here to learn something else. So I'm maybe a little older than anybody here, but Photoshop, when you want to learn Photoshop, was a book. Now with a video, all the support online, it's just a piece of cake to learn something new. You have a question, you Google it or you search. You have a video, someone has already got the problem. So, there's no excuse anymore to just not be ready to learn something new.